Hi, welcome back to my channel, From Someone's Kitchen. Today I am going to be making candy yams in my Instant Pot. I use my Instant Pot mostly every day for dinner, lunch, and even for breakfast. First, I'm going to go ahead and put my water in the pot, and then I'm going to add my sweet potatoes. Okay, so the candy yams are done. I already put marshmallows in there. So let's taste it. Tastes really well. You guys have to try it. I think it will go great with our dinner with chicken, rice, and green beans. A little sweetness to your meal. So this is a must try. The orange juice that I put in there brings out a lot of the flavor. You don't even taste the orange juice, but it's more of the sweetness of the orange juice. So please try this recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss another video.